I built the world's most expensive PC. Watch how I did. Yo, what's up everyone? Awesomeness TV here, back with another awesome video. Today, I'm going to build the most expensive PC. Yeah, the most expensive PC is what I'm going to build. So stick around because it's gonna be epic. So come on, let me show you. So here I am at PC Building Simulator. So I'm gonna choose free build. Right now I'm playing on the highest graphics available. If you think the graphics are bad, don't say I'm playing on low settings. It's just because I'm playing this game isn't optimized well. So this case resembles my case in many ways, and this case is another case. So which one should I build in? I think let's build in this one because this form factor is a bit familiar. Move to side panels. This game actually works like a normal PC game. So that's, I mean, a real PC making thing. So let's put the Aurora's motherboard over here. Let's place all the screws in. The motherboard is placed in. Let's place the screws so it is intact and does not fall out. But one thing, let me tell you, before you place the motherboard in real life, place the processor and the cooler first. So make sure that in this game it does not allow you, but so okay, so we actually put a Threadripper motherboard in that, put 16 cores. Let's so we added 16 cores of AMD Ryzen Threadripper 16 cores, which is pretty dope. Let's apply thermal paste. Here we have applied thermal paste. Let's apply the cooling. They don't apply these because these are like mortar. I mean, these are like the case fans. These are the actual fans. I'm trying to look for a fan which is a radiator type of fan, but they don't have it, so I'll just put this white fan. Power supply. Let's add this 1000 watt of power supply. How do you move? Okay. So how do you like? I don't know why it's not letting me add. We'll come to that later. Let's add the graphic card. I don't think this game has like the 2080 series. This is a 280 R9, but I'm trying to look for them a 1080 Ti most probably. Here it is, a 1080 Ti MSI. Okay, so how do you add it? Okay, maybe you needed to do this. Do this Somehow this needs 3 slots. Yeah, to be there. But guys, we aren't going for a single GPU, we're going for a dual GPU, so that this goes overkill. I hope it allows us to put a dual GPU, which certainly it does not allow us to do that. I'll just leave it as it is. So now what I'm going to do is try to put the power supply in, because no PC runs without a power supply. To install the power supply, 1000 watts one, where is it? Where is it? Then let's go for the RAM. Let's go for 32 or maybe 64 gigs. Let's take this one stick. Okay, it wants me to just open this. Now let's go for the storage. Can you put the M.2? You can't. Let's go for an SSD. What's the maximum SSD they have? 250 gigs. This is a hard drive, not an SSD, so let's go for this one. Now we have we? Yeah, we have put the power supply, and so power the cables will go for the power supplies. Finger inside. And our PC looks beautiful. Let's not connect the cables in, and I hope it works. So this is our final PC. Okay, let's install the side thingy back. To install the covers back. To be honest, after playing this game, I have full confidence that I can build a PC by myself without any help. Because to be honest, this is completely how you can build a PC, and I screwed this up so bad. Pretty much it's done. Everything's done, and let's power it on. Whoa, it lights up. Gigabyte. We see some signals. Let's just install. Okay, maybe the USB drive has Windows installed in it. What if? Maybe. Let's power it on again. Yo, yeah, let's go. We have built ourselves our first ever PC. Yeah, this is me building my first ever PC. Like, let's add some programs. Let's see. 3D Mark, and let's see how it performs in real life tests. Run. It's 2 frames. Oh my god. I don't know. It has a 1080 Ti, but still it's so bad. I don't know. Whatever we did, we built ourselves a very expensive gaming PC, which I won't build in my life right now. So here you got it. I built not the world's most expensive, but the most expensive PC. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Till then, my name is Ali. You're watching the Awesomeness, and tomorrow. Peace.